Okay, we're going to start out with just a stick of butter here, and you want it at room temperatures. And then we're going to add just some butter, or some, not butter, but sugar. Don't worry about the ingredients because we'll add it in the description below. Okay, next we're going to add egg to it, some vanilla extract to it, and then okay. Next we're going to add some flour, some baking soda, or not soda, baking powder I mean, and some more flour. And here we go. I like to do is I like to put paper over it, and okay, we're going to take a Christmas tree thing here, cut it, and we're just going to cut little Christmas trees out here. We're just going to take some nice good M&Ms, and we're just going to put them inside. There's my little sweet pea down there. She tore up her playpen, but that's typical for a little dog. I clean up at the wall. Got all that puppy pad. She always chews up her little puppy pad. But she's my little girl. She's almost 6 months old. Okay, let's go look at her little puppy. Okay, this is Skippy. This is her boyfriend. Well, gonna be when he gets older. He's barely like 8 weeks, or maybe a little bit longer now. It's almost 9 weeks. He's still 8 weeks. He's a big chunk. He's a chunky monkey. Good buddy. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, we're going to do a taste test on this. I hate to bite in the screen because it's pretty, but we're going to do a taste test on this one. Oh my god. That is so good, crunchy. You hear that? I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an episode. And I'll see you next time. Thank y'all.